Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. Today, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can sign into your existing account for Guarda Wallet. First of all, open up the Guarda Wallet app on your mobile device or desktop. In the welcome screen, click on Restore Wallet. To restore or log into your existing wallet, you will need to choose one of the sign-in methods. You can either choose the Guarda backup file or secret phrase option. Choose any one and enter the prompts required on the screen. Since I've chosen backup file option, it is requiring me to enter my backup code. If you've previously backed up your wallet, there should be no problem entering your code. Simply tap on the Restore from File option and choose a file from the menu that you have previously backed up as. Once you are done, enter your Guarda account's password in the next field. Finally, click on Restore. You will then be able to restore your wallet or log into your wallet. You can now start managing your cryptocurrencies. To get access to your wallet, ensure that your recovery phrase or backup file is stored securely, as it is the key to accessing your wallet in case you need to sign in on another device. So that's how you easily log in to Guarda Wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.